Yo, how's it, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Andrew, and in today's vlog we are not on some we're not on some a day in the life of a project manager or whatever you want to call it, or one of the travel vlogs that I normally do on the channel. I know the channel is intended for travel vlog around Cape Town, or not only in Cape Town actually, but across South Africa, where we do quite a lot of road trips, exploring scenic routes and all that. But today's vlog is more about a story of our involvement in a car accident, in a car that we had just bought like literally 2 months ago, and we got involved in a car accident. So on this day, there was a very highly intoxicated man who had just picked up a prostitute or a sex worker, whatever you want to call them. So yeah, just tune in, guys. Let's see. I'll be sharing real footage of how the accident occurred and our experience and all that followed, which was a roller coaster of about almost 40 days for us to get the car back fully repaired, and I must say it came back looking like it was a new car. But yeah, let's chill and enjoy the story, and most importantly, please remember to like, subscribe and share so that we can keep on producing more content. On this Friday evening of the 21st of March 2025, I was coming down from Durbanville side after fetching my wife from a friend where she was plaiting her hair. And it had just stopped raining. I pretty much spent the whole day babysitting our daughter at home because I had nothing to do on this day. It was a public holiday, I remember. And luckily when I went to fetch my wife, I decided to leave my daughter at home with my sister, Lebogang. So little did we know that this was going to happen. And yeah, this was the day that nobody ever thought it would come. It was just 2 months after buying this car, and yeah, this happened. This guy just hit us. He was highly intoxicated. He had no ID, he had no driver's license, and yeah, the rest is history. After having called SAPS more than 10 or 15 times, if not mistaken, no one had showed up. And the sad part is, this is about 3 to 4 hours later at the scene of the accident, and the very same guy that hit us, who was highly intoxicated, ended up fleeing the scene. To make it worse, police station is about 8 minutes drive away from the scene of the accident, yet no SAPS showed up.
you just unlock? Bring the key. Don't laugh. How? Don't laugh. This is our car for the month. Manchi, come. Come, Manchi. You wanna see? Come. Let's go. Let's get inside. Come. Get inside. Don't be scared. Get inside the small car.
No, I don't want to.
You don't want to?
No.
Why?
I don't want to.
Let's go. It's a nice car, Manchi. Look, there's other ones. See, there's many small cars here.
No, the car, Manchi.
Which one do you want?
That's not my name.
It's not you.
It's your car, Kitu.
That's not.
Okay. Here we are.
Half.
Kwid drivers, where do we start?
Half.
Oh, there.
Half.
Do you put the clutch on with this one? Because it's a manual. Hey! Hi, Bo. Guys, it has a TV.
Yeah, baby. Let's go.
But you see, it has a
Check your
TV.
reverse. You see where your reverse
Where's
is?
my reverse even?
I'm calling.
Before you go back for your reverse.
Let's go.
Time.
That you don't think
Of
you can
How
what?
does it work? Media. Anyway, oh, so much noise.
Yeah.
How do we even do that?
Kitu, don't touch the windscreen.
Let's see.
Wanna Kitu even
One wiper in front, Papa. One wiper in front. Serious, one wiper.
And then Kitu.
I don't know.
Windscreen.
So this is day 28. We are here checking on the Figo, the repairs and their progress, and I see there's quite a lot of cars here with the birds smashed in the front. But yeah, they say they are the best. Let's see how it goes.
What's yours? Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy. Where did you go? Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you
So part of the major damages that we actually observed was one of these here. This is called the chassis. It's part of the chassis, and it's a metal structure that basically holds the car. In this case, this holds the bumper, and it has to look like this one here on this other side of the car. This one is pretty much intact, and the other one is very much dented, and there's some cosmetic and welding work that needs to be done to it, so that it can be able to hold the bumper and all the parts that go there in the front. By the way, the radiator was also affected. So yeah.
Today is day 30 of driving the 2025 Renault Kwid, and day 30. We got the car, I think 5 days after our car accident, so it's basically been 35 days, if not mistaken. It's been 35 days since our involvement in the car accident, and just checking out here on progress of the repairs. And unfortunately on this day I can't go in because they were busy welding and working with the gas machines and whatnot, but I'll probably come back tomorrow and check on progress. They got the balance of the parts now. And look at this grand item, the maroon one. So the last time I was here, it was smashed at the back, was badly smashed. Not sure if you can see how it looks like now. It looks like it's a new car that was bought now. Just reversing for him to go out. It looks great, it looks beautiful. So I can't wait to see progress on our Figo in the next 5 days. Alright, see you guys. Done. Looking all good.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me.
So they say I must first check it out, inspect everything and see if I'm happy with everything. Sorry, excuse me. This side was never affected, but it was mainly the front that was smashed. I think this part here, if you remember, all the light all the way to the side, the bumper was cracked. The fender was also affected, so that got replaced, and both left side doors were also replaced, and it's looking good. No sign that it was ever involved in an accident. It looks as good as new. So I'm currently inside the Figo now and just checking out the doors. So far it's proper. They did a pretty much good job here. The doors are opening nicely. There we go. And yeah, it's looking good. We got our electric windows back. I haven't put the car on now, but I'm gonna test the windows as well. And yeah, I must say that I'm very much impressed with their work. Yeah. All looking good. Back windows as well, electric, we got that. I'm gonna test them now once I get the key. So we are back. If you recall, the other day I showed you this Hyundai Grand i10. It was smashed in front. See how it is now.
Finally, this was day 37 of driving the Renault Kwid, which we proudly gave a name, and its name was called Squid. We gave it the name Squid as we made fun of it. But what you don't know is that this tiny car was weirdly reliable. Imagine if you have only one car and you get involved in an accident. On that note, I want to give a big shout out to Auto in general. They made everything very much smooth for us, from the insurance claim to the courtesy car to the repairer and handling everything in between. Everything was pretty much smooth, and I just want to say that if you enjoyed this video, please drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more real life moments, road trips that we're still gonna do on the channel, and everything in between. Till next time, stay safe, and please drop a like and share this video. Thank you.